everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to make your own Flash token on the ERC20 and TRC20 networks. So let's go ahead and start. I use the MetaMask wallet, which I recommend. They use 0.135 of Ethereum, and the minimal will be 0.12, because if you use less than that, you might have issues. Okay, so with this amount, we might be able to generate about 70,000 Flash USDPs. Okay, so let's get started. We open the Remix page first and create the file USDT.sol. Okay, then after that, you need to paste the code that you will find in the description. Okay, done. Then you need to open the Solidity compiler, select the 0.6.6 version, and compile it. As you can see, everything is perfectly compiled. Then we need to go to the section below, select Wallet Connect, and connect your wallet. So I clicked here, I used MetaMask, which is the one that works best, where they recommend. Okay, so let's get down below again. We need to write in our token name. So for me, the name will be USDT. And in the string, I'll write ERC20, but ERC20, but if we want, okay, perfect. But if you need TRC tokens, just select TRC tokens, it's gonna be the same thing. Press the transact button. Now in the window down below, you got to round that number up to the nearest integer so that we avoid errors when the gas will be transferred, so we don't lose any money. So now we wait for the confirmation. Okay, perfect. It's successful. Now we can. Now we're done. Now our action is done. We need to create our contact. He's going to show you the contract so that you can make sure it's on his cabin. This is the code. Let me pull up Eastern. 1 second, sure. Here, we can see our contract. Now we need to top up this contract from our wallet. So we open MetaMask again, and we transfer 0.12 USDTs. Just a reminder, if you have less than that, there might be problems. So use at least 0.12 USDT. If you have more, it's fine. Just a minimum of 0.12. Okay, and press continue. Confirm it. Okay, now we wait for the confirmation to go through. Okay, it's pending, as we can see. Let's hope it's quick. If you refresh, okay, it's confirmed. Now there's a few things to do. Now we just gotta open the Remix, wait for the balance to update. Okay, my balance is already updated perfect, so we can tick the start button. Now again, we have to run up to the number to the highest integer. So we have 0.00 something, we go to 1. So that's what I told you to do. So you don't lose any money in the progress. So now confirm again in the MetaMask app. Perfect. Okay, so we can see that our tokens have been created. The only thing left is to withdraw them though. So now we click withdraw. And we do the thing again. So we round up to the nearest integer again. And our tokens should be, we confirm. And now we need to wait. Our tokens are on its way. So I just need to wait a little bit. Okay, so everything is confirmed. Now we need to check our balance if we ever Flash USD keys. Oh, great. There they are. As you can see, everything was successful. Everything worked. If you have any questions or difficulties, text me in the Telegram.